All right, and then under that, under the panel body, we're going to have our list. Okay, so UL class. All right, and I call these pricing tables, but they're actually not they're not tables. They're not HTML tables. They're actually unordered lists, or a list group to be more specific. So you want the class list group, and then we also want list group flush and also text center. I know there's a lot of class names in this bit of code. And then we'll have a list item with the class of list group item. And let's see, we want the item text, which will be one free domain. All right, and I'm just going to copy this. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Okay, so one free domain, and let's see, 1 gigabyte of disk space. And let's say 10 gigabytes of bandwidth. And 5 email accounts. And that's good. I'm going to get rid of this last one. Okay, so now all we have to do is copy this, okay, this whole div. And then we need 1, 2, 3 more. Okay, and let's just take a look at that, make sure it's lined up correctly. Okay, looks good. Looks like we have a 0 here. Let me just change that. One-click installation. Let's see. You guys probably saw that a while ago. Alright, so that looks good. All we need to do is change up. Actually, there should be a button here, I think. Yeah, we don't have a buy button. So let's go up to the first one. And yeah, actually, we forgot the whole panel footer. So right under this, actually we don't even have an ending UL tag. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so an ending UL tag, and this is the body, so right under the, actually I think we want it still in the body. Let's go right under the UL and say div class panel footer. Alright, and inside the footer we'll have a link, and we want to give it a class of BTN. We're going to have a few classes here. BTN large, because we want it to be a big button. We want to set it to BTN block. Okay, so it displays as a block, and also BTN primary, which will make it, I believe, orange. Alright, and then that goes to there. And the text, I'm going to say buy now. Alright, and that should be good. So let's just copy. Looks like we want to grab the ending UL and go down to here. Okay, copy that, and then we're just going to paste that in each of these. UL. Okay, let's reload, and there we go. So now we just need to change the content in each one except the first one. Okay, so let's see what we got. We have the starter plan. So the next one, let's change this to the simple plan. and we're just going to up these prices. So this will be $8.99. We'll still get one free domain. Let's do 5 gigabytes disk space, and let's see, bandwidth, we'll give them 25 gigs of bandwidth, and let's do 20 email accounts. Okay, next one, we'll say this will be the standard. Okay, standard plan, and that'll be $12.99. And let's make this one 50 gigabytes disk space, which is quite a jump. Actually, yeah, that sounds too much. Let's give about 35. And then for the bandwidth, we'll do 50. And then they'll get unlimited email accounts. Okay, and then the last one will be the biggest plan, which will be the Super. And that will be $17.99 per month. We'll get free 2 free domains. And as far as disk space, we'll do 80 gigs. Bandwidth, we'll do 100 gigs. And of course, unlimited email. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, that looks pretty good. I just want to change the font size of the strong tags, which is the price, make it a little smaller. So I want to go to, let's see, price, strong, font size, let's do 32 pixels. Alright, so now we have them all on the same line, which is good. So that looks pretty good. We still need a little bit of space right here. So I guess that I could put it here. But I don't want 50 on the top. So let's do 30 on the top, top right, bottom, 50. Okay, that looks a little better. Alright, so the last thing we need on the home page is the footer, which is going to be really simple. We'll have a footer tag and a container. And we'll have a paragraph, and I'm going to add a class here. I'm going to add the pull right class, and this is going to be that back to top button. So all we need to do here, say href back to top. Okay, that's good. And then we need another paragraph here. Whoop. Okay, and we'll just do, what is this called? ADX hosting. Copy 2015. That's good enough. And then after that, actually, we want to stay in the paragraph, and we're just going to add a few links here. Okay, so this one will be privacy. Alright, and then we'll have another one. And this will go to terms. Alright. Okay. Actually, let's put a me dot character in between the links. So let's see right here. Let's do dot also right here. Oh, I spell it wrong? There we go. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Wait a minute, how did this get here again? Oh, is that in a section? I think it is. No. Hold on, where did that come from? Oh, it is a section? No. Oh, yes it is. Okay, so this is happening because we have the carousel wrapped in a section. So let's actually take it out. See what that does. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so it looks good. So in the next video, we will get to the domains page and hopefully the contact page. And then after that, we will do the login modal.